Welcome to Heymish Handicrafts, and you have me today. Is Louie. Some of you know me as Tina, but we're just go with Louie, okay? It's alright, I promise. Today we have a very special thing that we're doing today. So, today I have this box. This very lovely box. This lovely box is from Mrs Quilty. We have been subscribing to the Mrs Quilty subscription box this for a few months now, and we were contacted by them offering us a 3-month paid ambassadorship program, which means that they sent us this box, which is the next box in our subscription, and the next 2 after this. They paid for them in exchange for us sharing the goodies that we make with these boxes with you. Now, what you all get out of these wonderful videos is you get a discount code, and you can find that discount code in the description for the video. Either it will be over there if you're watching on YouTube, and it'll be somewhere up around here if you're watching on Instagram, and if you're on Facebook, it'll probably be somewhere in one of those directions. You know where the codes are, you know where to find them. Now, if you are unfamiliar with Mrs Quilty, what this box does is every month you will get a box. Just like this. They all actually look the same. They have their brand marketing very on point. And inside this box, every month, you will get 12 fat quarters. And you will also get a little book with patterns that you can make with those fat quarters. Now, doesn't mean you can only make those patterns. You can make anything else with fat quarters. You don't know that, right? Yeah. Alright, so I have not opened this box yet. Not even. I have cut the tape on this edge to make it easier for me to display it to y'all when I do this. But I have not actually seen what's in this box myself yet. So we're going to do that together, shall we? 1, 2, 3. You're actually going to see it before me because I have to open it this way, so I can't see anything, but you're seeing it all. Alright, so, what have we got? We have a Mrs Quilty book. Remember I told you there'd be a book in here. And what's in this book is, see, these are all of the patterns that are included in this month's book to go with the patterns that we have. And we have a gift. Every box also includes a cute little gift, and you never know what it's going to be. And this time, here's a little bag. Ooh, they're blingy. We have some beautiful little blingy scissors. Everybody loves a little pair of snips, because you never know when you're going to need them. And it's also wonderful to have lots of these, because whenever you need a pair, you're not going to be able to find the pair you just had 30 seconds ago. So it's good to have lots of little snippy scissors. And it's got a case on it, so if you actually remember to put your scissors in the handy little case, you don't stab yourself when you reach into the drawer. There's a handy little tip. Always keep your short snips in the case so you don't stab yourself. That is a very handy tip. Ask me how I know that tip. So, we have very cute little scissors, right? Those are actually really pretty. They're golden. These ones are golden green, so I don't know if yours will be the same color. Or they'll be different. But I got golden green. I rather like it. So, back to the book. We have this book. And we have a block of the month. We have a patchwork kitty wedge, which is like a door stopper, I'm guessing. We have some scrappy tabby saucers, little coasters shaped like kitties. That's cute. We have our 12 fat quarters up here. So we got, pinks and purples this month. Those are my favorites. And we've got a pattern for a card holder, a kitty tote bag pattern, and a laptop sleeve pattern. And so you can go through and see it breaks it all right down. Very easy instructions. Tells you how to do all of the things. And, we also have recipe for pancake cereal. Okay, So we got a little bit more in here. So you've got the patterns, you got some recipes to make the pancakes so that you can get on with your quilty self. And so yes, you can make all of these patterns with what's in this box. Okay? Everything in that you need fabric-wise. There's obviously other supplies with the thread and interfacing, but the fabric. Now, we're going to take a look at the fabrics. Okay, so we have a book. And we have scissors. And now, we're going to look at fabric. Alright, so we have in this box 12 fat quarters that will make everything. Look at that. They're all folded up. And I'm going to set this box over here and get it out of our way. I'm also going to get this out the way so we have some room to do the things. Okay? Alright. So it's all bundled up, nice ribbon that says Mrs Quilty on it. And decorated. Okay. So, we've got 12. We have some very pink purple flowers. We have some pale pink hem. Oh, we have got some violet pink stripes. Oh, these are nicer, lighter. More pink. A little bit of purple on there. We have some purple grid board. We have some tiny ditzy flowers, pink and white. We have some purple and teal butterflies. Ooh, I like this. Oh, it's pretty. We have a nice pink blender. Little wet flowers on it. We've got printed stripes. These are good for borders. Or for like trim. Because you can get just that little edge on there if you want. Those are nice. Now we've got white with pink flowers. Ooh, we've got some very tiny purple gingham. And we've got white with some pinky red and purple flowers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 fat quarters, all right here. We've got our book. And we've got our cute little gift. So all of this comes to your door every month. So, in the grand scheme of things, what you pay for one box of Mrs Quilty, 12 fat quarters is easily enough to make a baby quilt. Wait, you can probably get 2 baby quilts out of that. You can definitely make a lap quilt without even adding anything. If you add some background to it, you can quite obviously get enough background you can get a bigger quilt. Now, in the second video this month, if you make sure you come back, I will be able to show you what I have made with these fat quilts. I will tell you this. I am not going to make what's in this book. If you subscribe, you're going to get the book. And you're going to get those patterns yourself. And everything in this book you can make with this. So what I want to do is show you what else you can do with just these fat quarters. Or just these fat quarters and a background. So the only fabric I will add to any of the projects that we show at the end of the month is going to be a background fabric. Everything else will be these fabrics themselves. And it could be one big project, or you might see several small projects, but it will only use these and so make sure you come on back and see what we have made, and I will also have the tutorials on how to make whatever it is that we made. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come on back and see us again. Until next time, this is Louie, and y'all have a great day. Thank you.